Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase app downloads with Apple, detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase app downloads with Apple, start by optimizing your app's App Store listing. Focus on the app title, ensuring it includes relevant keywords. Craft a compelling app description that highlights the unique features and benefits. Use engaging visuals, including eye-catching app icons, screenshots, and preview videos. Consider utilizing A/B testing for your app's graphics and descriptions to identify what resonates best with users. Research and analyze your competitors to understand their strategies and performance. Leverage user feedback and ratings to improve your app and enhance user experience. Encourage happy users to leave positive reviews, as high ratings can significantly influence download rates. Stay informed about the latest App Store algorithms and guidelines to ensure compliance and visibility. Engage in social media marketing to promote your app and connect with potential users. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your app's niche to expand your reach. Offer promotional campaigns, such as discounts or in-app rewards, to entice new users. Consider utilizing paid advertisements through Apple Search Ads to reach users searching for similar apps. Network with other developers and professionals to share insights and gain visibility. Regularly update your app to include new features and maintain user interest. Monitor analytics to track download trends, user engagement, and retention rates. Adjust your strategies based on the data collected to continuously improve your app's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.